Ah, package. It's for me. Hi, I'm Dave of Rouz Astro, and I just got a shipment from RouzAstro.com. I believe it's a him, it may be a her, I don't know, but they are a maker of 3D printed items that are used in astrophotography. And what I had ordered is a series of clamps, as you can see here. This is a Vixen clamp, and seems like that would work pretty well. So I got some Vixen clamps and the associated screws here, which I'll keep with it. And I also got some adapters that I can use to mount my mini PC and my Pegasus Astro Power Box 2 Advanced. So I have a mini PC here that I am in the process of configuring with Nina, as well as a new Pegasus Astro Pocket Power Box that I am trying to figure out how to mount on my telescope. Now, I have been using just straight Velcro, but it always seems kind of unsure using Velcro, and I think I wanted to use something a little more sturdy than just Velcro. And this seemed like the solution, at least in my mind, is by maybe using some, mounting something like this with this, and then being able to clamp it onto a Vixen bar. And that's pretty much what I'm going to try to set up here today. Is I'm going to look at this and see how easy it is to basically configure this and set this thing up. Now, I've got two sets for two different computers, so that's going to be for that, and then this is going to be for this. So let me go ahead. I've got two sets for two different telescopes, and this, I believe, is going to allow me to mount this guy to this. Yep, perfect. So I'm going to be able to mount it like that, and then mount this guy right on there, and then, yeah, be able to clamp this onto a Vixen bar, which makes for a really nice permanent mounting system, which is what I'm looking for, is a more permanent mounting system than what I currently have. So let me go ahead and start putting this thing together. So what I'm going to do is, this came with two screws, which I believe are mounting screws for the visa compliant holes here in the back, and this should be relatively quick and easy. We'll see how well this thing works. Okay, well there's the little PC here. So now let's go ahead and get the power box. Again, this is pretty straightforward. It's not really complicated, but I'm really curious to see how well this all works. So here's the power box. I think these screws go with that. I think I got my screws mixed up. There we go. Now this is an excellent option for those of us who don't have 3D printers. Now I'm thinking of picking one up, but I figured that there'd be a long learning curve, and trying to figure out how to embed nuts and all that kind of stuff would take me a little while. And so instead of trying to print something out for myself, it just made sense to go ahead, and if somebody's already figured it out and is selling the option online, to go ahead and go that route, because, well, again, I don't have a 3D printer as of yet. And this solution seems like it's really straightforward and relatively simple. And so I'm okay helping somebody else out if it ends up being a great product for myself. So there we are. There's the power box. So now all that remains to be seen is to mount it on my telescope and see how that works. Okay, you can barely see my head here, but that's all right. This is the new 6-inch Quattro from Skywatcher that I picked up. And now I'm going to mount these things onto the fixing bar up here. I might have to. The green bar that came with this has stops, safety stops, and I need to remove those before I can mount the two devices that I've got. And the Skywatcher stuff comes, which is kind of interesting, with standard screws rather than metric. Most everybody else's stuff comes with metric, but they use standard, so it's kind of an interesting juxtaposition here. So let's see how this thing goes on. That's pretty solid. I'm pretty impressed with that. That's really nice and solid. And I'll probably put this guy kind of right here at the very end. Yeah, they're pretty solid. So let me show you here. So as you can see, here is the clamp, and it's on to the Vixen bar. And this thing is pretty solid. She ain't moving anywhere. And same thing with this guy, the mini PC. It also is clamped on there pretty good, and it's not going anywhere either. So I think that this is a pretty decent solution for mounting these kind of devices onto your telescope. I know that I've been dealing with Velcro for a couple of years now as a way to mount them, and it's been rather unsatisfying, and sometimes in the jiggling and jostling of travel they come undone, and I find that I have to kind of reattach them and just hope that they stay on throughout the imaging night. And so with this kind of a system here, I feel pretty confident that I can just make sure that they're going to stay on there, and they'll be on there for good, which is great. So again, it's rouzastro.com, R-O-U-Z astro.com, and I'm pretty happy with these. Again, it's 3D printed. It's nothing really major, but you know, they work for what they're designed for. You see what these things can do. You can see how easy it is to put together. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. And if you liked this short little video, then feel free to like it. And if you want to hear more from this channel, please feel free to subscribe. And until next time, clear skies and happy guiding.